Hello again, guys. It's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Thank you for tuning in. For you first-timers, welcome. It's good to see everyone. You guys that haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. I'm going to be sharing a lot of information with you guys over the next few weeks, and I want to make sure that you guys get in on that information I'll be sharing. So let's go ahead and get started. There's been something that has been bothering me for years, and I'm just now putting it on video. And that one thing that really troubles me about car dealerships and these import shops is the price gouging. Oh my God, you wouldn't believe it. You guys don't realize it because you're not really informed about the repair as I am. You guys are paying for stuff you don't need. And it's Jaguar dealership pricing. It's at top dollar, and it's all for stuff that you just don't need. Here's what I mean by that. So in a lot of cases, I am not my client's first option, right? You guys live in Los Angeles, Dallas, Rochester, New York. You guys all have dealerships that are not far from your homes, or an import shop that's not far from your home, and you go there first. I get it. It's close. It's convenient. But what you don't know is that you guys are paying for parts that you just don't need. I'm here to help you with that. But you got to pick up the phone and give me a call, because I'm going to give you your best opportunity to not get price gouged and to only pay for parts that you need. I'll make sure of that, but you got to pick up the phone and give me a call. I am shocked at the amount of money that dealerships charge, and it just blows my mind. And the scary thing is that there are clients that go for it. It's troubling for me. But anyway, pick up the phone, give me a call. I'm going to be your best chance for getting treated the right way. I promise. And I also have a low price guarantee. I don't care who you talk to, what dealership or import shop, they're never going to beat my pricing or my service. And I do this repair right in your driveway. So here's what I want you to do. If you're in the market to have someone come out and fix your convertible top, whether it's the hoses or the cylinders, or if you need a diagnostic, give me a call. I'm going to be your best opportunity to not get mugged by dealerships and import shops. My phone number directly is 888-317-9340. Again, 888-317-9340. I'll be talking to you guys soon. Don't let those guys steal from you. It's your hard-earned money, and it should be in your pocket, not the dealership. Call me. I got your back.